Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the two words for today. Number one is a way to measure vertical distances. Very good. Number two, Bob, his homework every night. What's that word with 4 letters? Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. What level will you go to? What level will you go to? Level. In an elevator. What level will you go to? Now we can make a flashcard for level. Please make a card like this. Write level up here in the top left corner. L-E-V-E-L. Down here, N1. This means noun, level 1. Over here, the number 89 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Level. Level. Number two, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer does her homework every night. Jennifer does her homework every night. Jennifer does her homework every night. Jennifer does homework every night is also correct. She does schoolwork at home by herself in the evening. Now we can make a flashcard for to do your homework. I, we, you, they do homework every night. She, he, it does homework every night. It would be a group here. Please make a flashcard like this. The basic form is to do your homework. Down here, DA1. This means daily activity, level 1. Over here, the number 3 out of 30. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like O. Ho. Home. Work. Homework. Game over. You did very well today. Today we learned level 1, correct, a way to measure. And Bob do or Bob does? He does his homework every night. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1, a drop of water. Very good, with an R. Number 2, Bob is a janitor, a cleaning person, especially in schools. Number 3, you are okay. Correct. Hope. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching.